It's our last day here. We travel back home today or tonight or whatever. Have you been outside at all, love? Good morning.
Good morning, sunshine.
I love you.
I love you.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
We're trying to figure out what the heck to wear today because literally like we brought all this stuff. I still have like a couple of sweaters. Well, this is one. I have sweaters and jeans that I haven't worn, but I've worn other things like 2 and 3 times. Like these pants I wore on almost every single hike because the weather has been totally different than what it predicted it would be. We looked up the weather before we came, but that's not what it was. So right now I'm wearing shorts and a sweater, but I do still have a t-shirt, a purple t-shirt. I guess I could wear this. I guess I could wear this purple t-shirt instead. It's like a sauna in there. You can see the steam rolling out.
It's a good hot box session.
Alright, so I was getting ready to pack up all my stuff. These go in there.
It's been a good 20 years.
Yeah. Well, this doesn't say no shoes, so maybe I should have recycled them. They lasted a long time, I think.
You got your knees out.
We gotta get me some foot gloves.
Yeah, we'll stop with
Some
the shoe out.
foot gloves. Chris is getting things ready for today. I just finished loading this suitcase with stuff. We went to pack these pickles because I'm not going to be able to take them on carry-on because they have juice in them, obviously. So this is the pickle that I've packed. Well, I haven't packed it. I was going to pack it, but this is the pickle that I have. So, I live in Florida, obviously. And my pharmacist in Florida wants these sour dill pickles. So we had to transfer my prescription up here. And so she talked to the pharmacist up here and asked him if they carried a certain type of pickle. And he said, yes, he thinks that they do. And so she called me to tell me about these pickles. So I went to pick up my medicine here and I asked the same pharmacist, you know, you have these? He said, yeah, I think we do. I don't know if we have any in stock, but we carry them usually. So I went to the pickle section. I didn't see any sour dill pickles. I just saw whole sour pickles. So I was like, sour pickles, this is what she wanted, sour pickles. But no. There's a difference, and we just now found out, like, packing our bag to, like, go back, like, head back. Those are not the right pickles. So, I'm gonna go try to find the right pickles today. Sour dill. And I don't know if they come sliced or whole, and if so, which one of those she wants. So, I would hate to show up with 2 big-ass things of pickles, and then she's like, oh, I don't even like those kind. Like, that would suck, you know? We're just driving the mountain, right? Yeah, we could just go there. I just wanted to let you know we left. Oh, if you have a fear of heights, you may not appreciate this driving experience. I have a fear of heights, so this should be fun. They just gave Chris these coins for the museum. This is cute little... Look at all the pretty, beautiful wild flowers.
The speed is 20 to 25 miles per hour.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Do we have a CD player?
That's a good question.
They gave us a CD, an audio CD.
Stop at the little store here.
We are trying to get this GoPro on here, but we don't have any zip ties or anything.
I think it'll be too wobbly.
I don't fucking know. Alright, I've got it on.
It's a little crooked, tilted, but
So fucking what? It'll work.
better than nothing.
Right, alright, that'll work. We're fucking awesome. We're like scientists.
Alright, you're in charge of pictures and videos. I'm in charge of driving.
Alright, we're good to go. Alright.